Hi friends, this is Amrita, your host on this channel, welcoming you all in the astrological inquiry. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the importance of constellations in the Vedic astrology. Friends, constellations are also known as nakshatras. Nakshatra is basically Sanskrit term. Naksha means sky and kshetra means region. So nakshatra is nothing but the map of sky. Constellations are nothing but the map of the sky. As astrology is considered as the eyes of Vedas, the same way nakshatras or constellations are the pulses of astrology. So if we restrict our study up to 12 zodiac signs only, our predictions can never be accurate. For example, two friends having same zodiac sign have different way of thinking, have different hobbies. This is happening because there can be the two constellations, two different constellations working behind the same zodiac sign. So nakshatras provides us HD view. Nakshatras provides us accuracy. So our ancestors divide this entire sky into 27 equal parts known as 27 constellations. So the zodiac sign get further divided into the constellations, and each constellations get further divided into the padas. So each zodiac sign get divided into the constellations, and each constellations get divided into the 4 padas. Normally each zodiac sign have 3 different nakshatras working behind it, and that constellation or each nakshatra get further divided into the 4 equal padas. So nakshatras are very important. Nakshatra or constellation is the heart of astrology. Same way, if we want to find out the marriage compatibility between two persons, or if we have to find out the auspicious or inauspicious period for certain activities, we must consider constellations. So constellations are very important. It is the pulses. Constellations are the pulses of astrology. So in my upcoming video series, I am going to discuss about the position of 10th Lord through different nakshatras. Because 10th Lord, it is the 10th house, it is the house of actions. It is the house of duties that we must perform in this life. So the 10th house is also known as the house of profession, and many people are continuously asking about the career. They are concerned about the career nowadays. So the position of 10th Lord or the position of planet ruling the 10th house in the different nakshatras can provide us the suitable career option, can provide us the suitable career environment. So in my upcoming series, we are going to discuss about the position of 10th Lord through the different nakshatras. So stay tuned with the astrological inquiry. Thank you for watching.